Welcome back, everybody. I'm Crystal Real Nesta, and we thank you for visiting us on our Thomas channel, where we do reviews and box opening. Make some comments down below. Tell us what you like, what you don't like, and what y'all think we should review. And today, welcome you back for my Amazon unboxing. Yeah! Bing, bing, bing. Oh yeah, all that. So you guys, I know it's been a while since y'all see me in front of this camera. Y'all know how life do it. But I had to take a pause so I can holler at y'all. Hey everybody, don't forget to comment down below, share us out, follow us, subscribe, hit that bell, all that good stuff. But let's get back to the thing at hand here. So I had to order some things. It's just a whole bunch of randomness up in here. But I did it. So forgot what I ordered. So you guys, right here, I ordered some stackable plastic tea bag holders. I'm mad because I had this in my cart for like 3 months. And after I hit pay, I go on Amazon today and it's $15. But anyway, so I'm actually going to open this for you guys. I'm excited. My cameraman ain't got my knife. We forgot a nice cameraman, but it's okay. I think we can figure this out. Look, this is a little busted. I hope it ain't broke. But if you guys know anything about the Real Nestas, we are real tea lovers. We drink tea every day in this house, and you know, we're trying to get a little organized around this camp. So this is actually worth it. Bear with me, ladies and gentlemen. Bear with me. Oh, look at that. So that's what the inside look like. Got a little top right there. Y'all know it's all about the clear containers, right? Because the cool part about this is it's stackable, and we got 2 of them in this set. So that's how they look. You can stack them like this, but y'all know things like this got multiple uses. So I'm definitely gonna fill one with tea for sure. And I gotta see how much tea we got left over. But this one might find this stuff upstairs storing something else. I don't know. But I'm cool with 2s. And y'all might not know this about the Real Nestas, but this is our year of 2s. So I'll bring out the next set of 2s here. I don't know if that goes to. Here, I think it goes with this actually. Is again, well, I guess you could call this my sort of organizer kit. This is another little doodad I bought here to get organized. Sometimes I don't think y'all gotta go watch our house video on our other channel so y'all can see what I'm talking about. But our cabinets are kind of awkward, so I bought this little hanging jacket here that is going to go inside the door of the cabinet. Ta-da! See that? So you turn this around this way, you hang it over your cabinet, and that way you can store things. So let's do a quick tutorial here. So this is under the sink right here, and you just go and hang it right there and tuck it away nice and neat. How cool is that? We're gonna leave that right there because that's probably where that's gonna go. And I hope the camera didn't blank out on you guys. But as y'all see, I got a second one. Who knows where it might find itself? Might be still a kitchen use. Don't know. But I don't know what this is, honestly. You know, you ever order something, but Amazon, oh, I know what this is. I will give Amazon their props. They finally caught up with all their back orders. So literally, I got this shipment in less than 2 days. And it was free shipping. So I'll give them their props on that. I don't take away props, Wiz do. This here, oh, no wonder they were so cheap, are hooks. We got a couple of little projects, but these are for you to hook these on that like chicken wire stuff. so that you can, you know, make things easier and neater. I think I got 30 of these in here for like $6, but now I see why, because they kind of small, but it'll work for what we needed them for, so that works. That's cool. And next in my box of tricks here, here's another set of 2. Oh, these bigger than what I thought. So you ladies and gentlemen, these are actually powder, old school powder containers. I bet you the hubby don't know what these for. Oh, he knows, he knows. So I got them in blue because they only had them in baby colors, blue and yellow. Is it tape? Oh, here we go. First time a little hard, but this is pretty cool, right? It's for babies. It actually smells like a baby already. So you put your powder. I gotta learn. Don't be talking trash, you guys. But I think this just pops out. You put your powder down in there. Then you got your little, yeah, yep. That's what that is for. Super stoked about this. So see, 2s. Next we have we have a 3s. How about this? Oh, these are smaller. The hubby might have been right. Look, they smaller. So we got a couple of little spots where, you know, this weird little awkward darkness. So I bought these lights, which I hope they light up a lot. They need AAA batteries. These go in closets so that when we open the door, these are motion lights. There's 3 of them in here. And this should be good enough for what I need to do. But that's what it looks like on the picture. So, we'll see how that works out. Next we have menthol nighttime vaporizing rub. You guys, I love this stuff. I use it for everything. It is lavender scented. So yeah, soothing lavender. So this is like Vicks Vapor Rub. The best stuff ever. Love it, love it, love it. And it don't really put me to sleep, but I'm me. I can't speak for other people. This right here is a necklace I bought for somebody. It is actually the Serenity Prayer, which is pretty funny because somebody ended up buying me a bracelet with the Serenity Prayer on it, which is pretty cool. But I bought this for somebody else. And I thought that was pretty cool. I might have to get me one too. You know how you buy something for somebody, you gotta get one for yourself. That might be happening. And then here's my regular biotin. Y'all know, y'all gotta get with it. I think I did a review on this a long time ago. Nature's Bounty. These are awesome because if you can see in the bottom there, they are like coated. So, and they're not ginormous like most pills. And finally, ladies and gentlemen, they're called Spa Rooms Halls, all 3 with menthol. So they did like a Halls menthol for your nose inhalers. So these smell like each of the Halls. We got lemon, regular menthol, and cherry. I'm super stoked about this. Let's bust it open. Let's bust it open, y'all. We use this menthol things for I don't have no strength today. I don't know what's happening. Yeah, what? Cameraman, you want to handle this business? I'm tired.
Don't worry about opening it.
No, I want to open it because I want to say if it really smells like it. The cameraman is going to help us, ladies and gentlemen. In the meantime, look how nice that is. I might have to buy a couple of those. It's pretty nice. I think that's so cool. It's the Serenity Prayer. You know, God grant me the serenity to accept the things I can't change. I'm super stoked about this. I have 2 more packages coming. Oh, here we go. My strong man. So this is the cherry one. I'm gonna try this, you guys. It's not that powerful, actually. But that's how you use these little menthol things. It's not that powerful. Let's see. Yep, I'm gonna try them all. Ooh, the lemon smells nice. I like this one. Let's see. And that's just regular menthol. The lemon smells nice, but they're not as strong, but hopefully they'll work. Hopefully I didn't waste my money. Anyway, yeah, you guys, I got another shipment coming in. The girl been getting them packages. I got this. This ain't coming in my packages though, but I got this today too, you guys. I'm super stoked to try these. Yup, I got packages everywhere. I had to tell my husband his wife needs them packages. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna try these, you guys. There's 3 flavors in this, and then I got this. What? This, everybody, put this on your Christmas list for Crystal Real Nesta to ship me some of these and some of these, and we gonna be friends forever. Anyway, that's the end of my video, you guys. Thank you as always for spending time with me. Don't forget to say hi to my husband down below, the best cameraman ever. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.